Many of us remember buying our first RDA. The feeling of being super hyped and quite honestly, clueless. So to save you newbies from going through what we went through, let's go over the 5 things we wish we knew before buying an RDA. Now, having said that, if you want to dive a little deeper into our hindsight, check out the blog in the top right corner. All right, let's get this party started. First thing we wish we knew, RDAs are not that difficult to use. Seriously, they aren't. They may look intimidating, but with a little practice, some research, and the right tools, you'll be up and building in no time. Next, wicking is an art. You'd think you could just string some cotton through a coil and be done. But that would be a resounding nopeski. Too thick, the airflow and flavor production will decline. Too thin, and you'll have poor wicking and really dry hits. Practice until you find the right balance, and then it's off to Flavor Town. Population, you. Speaking of Flavor Town, prepare to bring your juices everywhere. Yeah, you learn quick that dripping once does not get you through the day, or even 10 minutes. This is the one huge caveat of having an RDA, so be prepared for carrying around your favorite bottle of e-liquid for most hours of the day. Next, having a toolkit is essential. Last thing you want is to get home all amped up, ready to build, and you can't. Make sure you pick up the tools you'll need to make your build shine. Some examples are ceramic tweezers, wire cutters, scissors, and more. A lot of kits out there have everything you need all in one package, so be sure to shop around and find what works for you. And lastly, you'll find that RDAs are actually cheaper to maintain than tanks. That's right, compared to tanks with disposable coils, RDAs will save you a bunch. This is due to the fact that if properly cleaned and looked after, an RDA coil can last weeks, even months. Not gonna lie, I had a pair of coils last me 3 months before I swapped them out. That's only because I wanted to try a new build. Just be sure to swap out your cotton once a week, clean your coils, and watch how much you save. And those are 5 things we wish we knew before buying an RDA. Believe us, there's plenty more, and if you'd like to know more about it, check out the blog in the description down below. Also, if you liked this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up, and if you haven't, subscribe to our channel. There's always great content coming down the pipelines. And as always, stay wild.